open up. 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. I'm going to shimmy back on my mat a little bit and roll onto my right side, supporting myself with my left forearm. You can stack the feet or have them staggered for more balance, and lift up. Right arm can reach up. You can hold this. If you want a little bit more oblique work, lower the hips and lift. Lower and lift. 3, 2, 1. Lower the hips all the way down. Plant the left palm. You can make this gentle and support yourself with the bottom left knee, or come up into more of a full side plank. Plant the right foot down, shimmy the left foot out of the way, and then grab the outside of the left knee with the right hand. If you please, if you're doing supported, you can just stay there and just twist your chest up towards the ceiling as much as you can. Lower down, come to your belly, and we're going to roll to the other side, supporting ourselves